So today I'm about to show you how to combine multiple PDFs into a one NotebookLM project. First, open NotebookLM and either click on a existing project or select New Notebook to start fresh. Look over the left side of your screen and click Add Source button. A file upload window will appear. You don't need to upload your documents one by one. Simply open your computer's local file explorer, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, and click every single PDF file you want to include, then drag and drop that entire highlighted batch directly into the NotebookLM upload box. The platform natively supports up to 50 separate source files per single notebook, and it will automatically begin uploading and indexing all of your PDFs simultaneously. Pro tip, if you want to merge these separate PDFs into a single, seamless reference master file before importing them, do not use sketchy, ad-filled online file converters. Instead, use a completely safe open source desktop like PDFSam Basic. And that's it. That's how to combine multiple PDFs into one NotebookLM project. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.